Right quick.
Whoa! No way! All right, guys, back in the shop. 71 Plymouth Duster, 1,000 horsepower street car. That's what we're going for. Today we've got a little bit of a gift that arrived. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at it, unbox it, take some few pictures, and give you a little rundown on what the project's gonna look like and timeline as well, or what we're hoping the timeline's gonna be. So without further ado, 426 supercharged Hellephant from Mopar, just arrived from Texas this morning.
That logo's sick. Get a... Actually, I'll go do these. Like, I want size comparison.
281 cubic inches, 426 cubic inches.
Just to give the same perspective here. It's about the same, right?